Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Over the last couple of days and weeks we've been talking about detoxing, losing weight, eat healthy. It's coming up to summer and you know what I mean, people are always trying to make themselves look nice, lovely and prepare themselves even for the park and certain things. But anyway, today is just a simple recipe, very simple. First of all, I need a spoon to show my fans exactly what they're gonna do. Inside of my jug right here I have at least 500 ml of water. That's roughly a bottle of water. Alright guys, second thing what I'm going to do, I have some black pepper. I'm going to put some black pepper inside of my water. Just a little crack of the black pepper into the water. I got some apple cider vinegar. I'm going to give it a shake. Yes, just like that. Once you shake it, open it, get a teaspoon or a tablespoon, doesn't matter. I'm gonna put one of this inside of it. Nice one. Once you put that inside of it, cinnamon. A lot of people doesn't know that cinnamon is good for us. Cinnamon helps to clean out your immune system and help it to detox your body and help it to lose weight also. Alright? So what I'm going to do, just a pinch of cinnamon in the water. Once mix it up together, I got a lemon. Two slices of lemon inside of the water. Put back a lid on, cover it, and all you need to do is to leave this for about an hour, and after that drink it, or drink it the first thing in the morning or before bedtime. Alright guys, this is just a simple easy recipe of cinnamon water with pepper and apple cider vinegar and some lemon juice. Hopefully guys will like the recipe and help you to also detox your body. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Google plus me, and also it's really good for us. So let's taste it. Perfect. Cinnamon water with pepper, lemon and apple cider vinegar. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. And you know what I mean, all of these detoxing drink which I've been making over the last couple of days, I know you guys definitely will enjoy one day, somewhere, somehow. You guys will definitely love it. Alright, don't forget, do your own research. Type in what's cinnamon for, or what's the benefit. You know what I mean, if you're taking certain kind of medication, you need to check with it. You know what I mean, make sure you're not gonna just make it and say Chef Ricardo say it must. No, make sure you do your own research guys. Please do your own search. Alright, it's just tips and ideas from Chef Ricardo, and I know one for sure that cinnamon is good for us. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and follow me on